Hello student, welcome back to Krishna classes. This is Surbhi here and I am going to take the class of 11 chapter 1. You know very well the name of the chapter, some basic concept of the chemistry. So let's start the today's topic. What is the today's topic? Today's topic is atomic and molecular masses. What is the atomic and molecular masses? We'll discuss here. First is the atomic mass. What is the atomic mass? The present system of atomic masses is based on carbon-12. There are so many systems given for the knowledge of the atomic mass, but how can we know about the atomic mass on the present system is based on the carbon-12. Our present system of atomic mass is based on the carbon-12. What happened? One atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12, the mass of the carbon-12 atom. Carbon-12 means there are 3 isotopes of carbon, that's why the carbon-12 atom means carbon-12 atoms is taken here. So what is the atomic mass? A mass exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of one carbon-12 atom. So I repeat again, what is the atomic mass? The present system of atomic mass is based on carbon-12 atom. What is carbon-12 atoms? On the basis of what is carbon-12 atoms, what's defined? One atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of carbon-12 atom. So what is AMU? 1 AMU. AMU is the unit. Atomic mass unit. Called AMU. 1 AMU is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to power 24 gram. What? 1 AMU is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to power 24 gram. So next, mass of an atom of hydrogen. So mass of an atom of hydrogen is 1.6736 into 10 to power minus 24 gram. This is the mass of an hydrogen atom. So in terms of AMU, the mass of hydrogen atom. So in terms of AMU, first here what written? The mass of an hydrogen atom. What? 1.6736 into 10 to power 24 gram divided by mass of carbon atom. 1.66056 into 10 to power minus 24 is equal to what come? 1.078 AMU, that is equal to 1.008 AMU. So these are equal. 1.0078 is equal to 1.0080 AMU. Okay, so this is the mass of hydrogen. Like that, mass of oxygen also calculated. Mass of oxygen 16. What is the mass of oxygen 16 is 15.995 AMU. AMU is also changed in mu, not mu. AMU is equal to mu, that is called unified mass. Okay, so this is the atomic mass. And what is the average atomic mass? You know very well, elements exist as more than one isotope. So we take average mass of all isotopes. How? Here some example given. Isotopes of carbon, carbon-12, carbon-13 and carbon-14. These are the isotopes of carbon. Here relative abundance are given. Carbon-12 is 98.892. Carbon 13 is 1.102. Carbon 14 is 2 into 10 to power minus 10. Atomic mass AMU. Carbon 12 is 12. Carbon 13 is 13.0035. Carbon 14 is 14 into 00317. So average atomic mass is here. We calculated 12 into 12.0114. How we got that? From there, please see. This is the relative abundance of carbon 12 divided by 100. So come 0.98892. Multiply by 12U plus carbon 13 relative abundance into 13.003 plus carbon 14 abundance 2 into 10 to power 12. 2 into 10 to power 10 given, when divided by 100 then comes 2 into 10 to power minus 12 into 14 into 00317. Then what we got? 12 into 014. This is the average atomic mass. So I repeat my class again. This is the mathematical terms. So I repeat again. Please watch carefully. You can watch again and again for clear the topic. What is the atomic mass? The present system of atomic mass is based on carbon 12. Carbon 12 atom. One atomic mass unit is defined as a mass exactly equal to 1/12 the mass of one carbon 12 atom. So this is the definition. And look at here, 1 AMU. What is the AMU? This is the unit. The full form of AMU is atomic mass unit, is equal to 1.66056 into 10 to power minus 24. This is the 1 AMU of carbon. Then mass of an atom of hydrogen, what? 1.6736 into 10 to power minus 24 gram. So in terms of AMU, the mass of hydrogen atom is 1.6736 into 10 to power minus 24. This is the hydrogen mass, and divided by 1.66056 into 10 to minus 24. This is the carbon mass. Then we got 1.0078, that is equal to 1.0080 AMU. Okay, like that mass of oxygen also calculated. Mass of oxygen 16 is 15.995 AMU. AMU is now called U, or mu means unified mass. Okay, now come on next point, average atomic mass. Elements exist as more than one isotope. So we take average mass of all isotope. Here example given: carbon 12, carbon 13, carbon 14. Relative abundance: carbon 12 98.892 and atomic mass 12. Carbon 13 relative abundance 1.108 and atomic mass 13.00335, and relative abundance carbon 14 2 into 10 to power minus 10, and here atomic mass is 14 into 00317. So average atomic mass of carbon is 12 into 0.114. How can we calculate it? These relative abundance divided by 100 plus adding the atomic mass. First carbon 12 is here, relative abundance divided by 100 plus atomic mass. Then carbon 13, then carbon 14, then we got that. Okay, so this is the class. Hope you understand. You can watch again and again. Thank you so much for the watching. This is Surbhi here. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.